Hello guys, this is Rohit. Let's solve product of array except self. I'll start the timer. Okay, given an array, integer array nums, return an array answer such that answer I is equal to the product of all the elements of nums except nums I. Product of any prefix or suffix of nums is guaranteed to fit in a 32-bit integer. So here we don't need to worry about overflow. You must write an algorithm that runs in order of n time without using the division operation. So we are not allowed to use division operation. Okay, so let's see the example. Okay, so for the first number, the product is 2 into 3 into 4. Okay, they are assuming that if there is nothing on the left, it is 1. And for the second number, 3 into 4 into 1, which is 12. For this number, it is 4 into 2 into 1, which is 8. For the last number, here also they are assuming the rightmost product is 1. Right, so to its right it is 1 and it is 3 into 2, which is 6. Okay, so we can solve this using left array and right array method. So we can store the product of all the numbers for the current number to its left in the left array, and similarly we can use the right array to store the product of all. For each number we can store the product of all the numbers to its left, right? So let's see the example. So let's say we have nums here. We can use left array, which that will hold all the product of all the numbers to its left for the current number. So for the first number it is always 1, and for the second number it is 1, and for the third number it is 1 into 2, which is 2. For this it is 3 into 2 into 1, which is 6. And similarly right array will hold all the product of all the numbers for the current number right to its right. So it is for the rightmost number it is always 1, and for this it is 4, and for this it is 4 3s are 12, and for first number it is 4 into 3 into 2, which is 24, right? And in the end we can multiply values from left and right array and get the answer. So this will be 24, this is 12 into 1, which is 12, 4 2s are 8, and this is 6. Okay, so we can also optimize this further. We can eliminate the answer array itself. We can directly store the answer in the right array itself. So our right array will so we can write the equation like this. Right will be product to its left, product to the left of I, and right product, right? So we can run the loop from right to left, and we can keep storing in a variable, right? So we can take this variable right product, we can initialize it to 1, since for the rightmost number it is always 1, and we'll keep updating this right product variable. So then right product variable will be the current number. Okay, so which is nums of I. we'll include this current number into the product to be used in the next iteration, right? In the right product till now, right? And also we can eliminate the right array also. So if you observe that uh, we are just referencing the we are using the value from the left array, and then we'll never use this number again, right? This value again. So we can simply overwrite. After using, we can simply overwrite this value in the left array and get the answer, right? So we can eliminate answer array, we can eliminate right array, and to simplify this, we can just rename it to answer. Okay. Okay. So let's write the code. I'll put this into comments. Okay. Okay. So let's start. So we can initialize answer array. And the size of the array will be same as nums array. So we can store the size in nums array, this n variable nums.length. Okay, now we will store the left products. Okay, so the initial product will be, so okay, here it is n. So the initial product is always 1, right? So for 0th element, we'll store the product as left product as 1, which is the leftmost element, and we'll start from I equal to 1. I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, so answer of I will be, what was the previous product for the previous element? So it is I minus 1. And what was the previous number? So here we are using kind of dynamic programming, right? We are using pre-calculated values. So here it is nums of I minus 1. Okay. Now we have computed left products. Now for the right product, as we have discussed, we will use this right product variable, and we'll run this right of for loop from right to left. I is equal to n minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, I plus plus, right? Okay. 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 So it is I minus minus actually. Okay, then we'll return the answer. Okay. So let's check the code once. So we have initialized this answer array, first value as 1, answer y equal to previous answer into previous number from I to n. We are running this loop. In the second loop, we are running from n minus 1 to I minus minus. Okay. Uh, okay, let's try to run this. Okay, so it's accepted. Let's try to submit this. Okay, so what's the time complexity for this? So we are not using any nested loops, right? So the time is order of n, and space complexity is order of 1. Uh, we are using answer array, but that is a part of the answer, right? So we don't need to consider that into space complexity. So space is also order of 1. Okay, we are done. Thank you so much. If you have any feedback, please share in the comments. Thank you.